No stairs. Enjoy single-level living in this light and bright San Clemente. This open floor plan home has 2 bedrooms with ensuite baths, stainless steel appliances, plantation shutters, 2 private screened-in lanai, and a 2-car garage. The outstanding Ole Village Center has 20,000 square feet of enjoyment and is the social hub of the community. Amenities include a tropical resort-style pool with poolside service, a separate kiddie pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, movie theater with stadium seating, pub, bistro, ice cream parlor, tennis, basketball, pickleball, bocce ball, volleyball, library, and billiards. The Mediterranean architecture-style community with lots of green space, tropical lush landscaping, and is located between downtown Naples and Marco Island with sugar sand beaches, restaurants, and shopping.